Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Right now I'm walking through our Boxborough showroom where there are so many exciting things like this Aston Martin DB7. But today we're talking about protecting your vehicle, specifically paint protection film. We just sold this beautiful Panamera, Porsche Panamera, and this is being shipped down south. We're located in New England here, and the buyer of the car wanted to go the extra mile and give it the best protection, which of course we recommended the paint protection film. We can see our technician here is prepping the car, and this is getting a partial front end, which means the forward half of the hood, fenders, full front bumper, headlights, and even the mirror caps are being protected. And now let's talk about what the options are for paint protection film. Over here, we have an area where the technician has done a custom cut on this paint protection film, and I'm going to talk about the advantages of us doing a custom cut versus a pre-cut. So of course there will be a cost difference, but the advantages of the custom cut is maximum protection. A lot of times the pre-cuts you get, like maybe from the XPEL material, it doesn't offer full protection with things like the panel edges and things like the badge. We can see we have removed the Porsche badge. So this film will go under where the badge is, and there'll be no seams, no exposed areas where there's gonna be rock chips or dirt will get stuck and start getting under the film, as well as all the panel edges. Our custom cuts will go around the panel edges. Of course, I'm not gonna touch it there because he's got the surface ready for an application. Most of the pre-cuts, they stand off the edges of the panel about 1 millimeter. So all of these edges are still exposed and ready for rock chips, really. So the advantage of us doing these custom cuts is they will wrap around these panel edges and offer maximum protection. So we've actually got here at a good point because the technician is just roughly laying down the film for the initial start of the application. And of course, I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but this car is getting the custom cut to do the maximum and best protection for the Panamera. So we will check in with the technician later today and see how the progress is going. And at the minimum, we will check in when it's all set and we can see and inspect the final installation. And now we're jumping to the final segment of the PPF installation on the Porsche Panamera 4S here. You can see it looks amazing. It's really hard to tell where the film sort of starts and stops. We can see the line, it's just about here and just about here. And if you do see any little specks or like dried water, the car does still need to be cleaned because it's been installed, but the car around that gets pretty wet with the installation fluid and from cleaning the front of the car by hand before the film goes on. So like I said, it does need sort of like a final detail, but I'm just showing you sort of some notes on the installation. Now the headlights are all protected here, as well as even this front edge of the hood is protected. It's all wrapped around the edge of the panel here. And same thing, the Porsche badge is just flawlessly installed. There's no edge or start of the film around it. It goes under it, so you can, if a rock chip or the grit from the road did go right around the edge here, it's not gonna damage the panel as it would with, most pre-cut kits that you can buy. Also, the front bumper looks really nice. Our technician did an excellent job conforming the film and doing the trimming to get it in all the contours of the bumper. Everything is just really looking excellent on the Panamera here. Now checking the mirror caps. Once again, we've got the film and it wraps around this edge here, so it protects that sharp front edge of the mirrors from any rock chips or things like that. We can see here, same thing. On camera, I'm sure it's hard to tell it has film on it, but it does, and it's a very nice installation. So if you're interested in really the best protection available for your vehicle, give us a call or send us an email, and we can work with you to get your vehicle protected. using the methods that I've spoke about in this video. We also offer many different types of ceramic coatings and surface science, some people may call it. So even depending on the film you're using, you can even ceramic coat over the film, or what we like to do is use this ceramic infused film and then ceramic coat the rest of the car that doesn't have the film on it. But anyway, if you give us a call, we can talk to you all about that and what we might recommend depending on your budget and just how crazy you want to go with the protection. So I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and possibly learned something new. If you did, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.